Okay, so everyone join your hands and close your eyes. We'll do the prayer, okay? Everything I am, everything I'll be, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, all you given me, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the bird that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless you. God bless you. Good morning, all of you. We can do the dance and we can say good morning. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Good morning. So, how are you all? If you are good, then still guys to show me thumbs up, and not good, then thumbs down. Okay, so I can see everybody's doing thumbs up. Very good. So, as we are doing day every day, what we are doing first, we will know the dates, day, and the weather. Okay, so these are the things we will do every day so that you can be aware of it. So, yesterday it was. Yes, yes, Lakshya.
13 April 21.
Very good, Lakshya. Very good. Good boy. So, yes, today's date is Lakshya told the correct date. So, yesterday it was 12. So, what will come after 12? 30. Okay, and the month is going April. So, April month we will write number 4. January, February, March, April. Okay, again. January 1, February 2, March 3, and April 4. So we will write 4. And the year is, which year is going on at right now? 2021. So we will write 21. So today's date is 13th April 2021. And yesterday it was Monday, right? So Hriday, what will come after Monday? Hriday, what will come after Monday?
Tuesday.
Yes. So after Monday, it is today is
Tuesday.
Tuesday, right? Today is Tuesday. Okay, today is Tuesday. Now, as we are learning the weathers also every day, so we can check out the weather. What is the weather today?
Sunny
Okay.
day.
Yes, because it's a summer season, so every day is almost it's a sunny day. Okay, because it's a summer season, so the day will be sunny day. Okay.
Sunny.
Yes, it's a sunny day. And just a second, okay, class? Just a second. Okay, so yesterday we have learned about the long and short, right? We have learned about long and short. We are going to do today longer and shorter. Okay, how we will do longer and shorter when we are comparing the object. Okay, so the I have this brush. Okay, the paint brush, and I told you this is a ice cream stick. Okay, so the brush and the ice cream stick. Okay, So how we will say that which is the longer one and which is the shorter one? Anyhow, we know that this is a longer one and this is the shorter one. But when we comparing the two objects, how we will say ice cream stick is shorter than brush. Okay, how we will say this ice cream stick is shorter than the brush. Okay, if I want to say vice versa, then we will say the brush is longer than the ice cream stick. Okay, it's very easy. हम जब भी दो चीजों को कंपेयर करेंगे ना, so what we can do, जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात करें, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट आइसक्रीम स्टिक. ओके, आइसक्रीम स्टिक के बारे में पहले बात करेंगे तो क्या कहेंगे? द आइसक्रीम स्टिक इज शॉर्टर देन द ब्रश. इट इज अ शॉर्टर, छोटा है ये, सो वी विल से द आइसक्रीम स्टिक इज शॉर्टर देन द ब्रश. And what else we can say for the brush? अगर brush के बारे में बोलना है तो we will say the paint brush is longer than the ice cream stick. Okay, so this is the way you will do the comparison. Okay, this is the way you will do the comparison. One more object I will tell you. Just give me a minute. Okay, so here I have a marker pen, right? This is a red marker pen and this is a white. Okay, I will ask you, but let me finish first. Okay, Kia, let ma'am finish the first. Okay, so here again I have this a whitener. Okay, what is this? This is a whitener, and I have this a board marker. Okay, now I have this board marker and the whitener. Okay, now I have to compare the both things. How I will compare? I will say the board marker is longer than the whitener. Okay, the board marker is longer than the whitener. If I have to talk about whitener, so I will say the whitener is shorter than the board marker. Okay, or the pen. Okay, the whitener is shorter than the board marker. तो जब भी आप कोई चीज को कंपेयर करेंगे ना तो then यूज करेंगे. Okay, so this is shorter than this is the longer than this. Okay, everybody understood how you have to say the sentence? Understood? Then show me thumbs up. If you don't understand, I can explain you once again. Okay, chalo. So now I will ask you any of the 5 kids to give me example and say the thing. So I can see if Shivan is having the object. Shivan, you will tell me the first.
Cycle is short
Shorter than
and second long.
How you will say? You will say the Fevicol is shorter than the sketch pen. Okay? Ha. Now, if you want to talk about the sketch pen, so how you will say about sketch pen? Sketch pen के लिए कैसे बोलोगे?
Longer
Then
Fevicol.
yes, very good. So this is the way you will say. The sketch pen is longer than the Fevicol and the Fevicol is shorter than the sketch pen. Okay? Good try. Now Kia is showing me the object. Yes, Kia. You can tell me.
This sanitizer bottle is short.
Shorter than what? किससे छोटा है?
Pouch is long.
Okay, but you will not say big. See,
Pouch is
you have
long and sanitizer.
yeah, you have to compare the both things. So Kia, how you will say the sanitizer bottle is shorter than the compass box or a pouch, and the pouch is longer than the sanitizer bottle. Okay, so this is the way you will compare. Okay, Nivan is raising the hand. Yes, Nivan, you can tell me.
My girl, marker is longer than pencil.
Very good. Then how you will talk about the pencil? Very good, Nivan. Well done. You have said the sentence very perfectly and very correctly. So I will give you the smiley. This is for you, Nivan. The sentence is very perfect and very correct. So very good, Nivan. Now, 1, 3. 2 more kids you will answer. Okay, Khanak, I can see you have an object. Khanak will say. Yes. Okay, Lakshat, after Khanak you will say. Okay, wait for it.
The is shorter than the spoon.
Very good. And how you will talk about the spoon?
The spoon is taller than the scissors.
No, you will not use the word taller. Okay? We are learning right now long and short. Okay? Tall and short we will learn afterwards. Anyhow, it is same measurement, but it is little bit different.
The spoon is longer than the scissors.
Very good, Khanak. Very good. Well done. Good job. I'll give you thumbs up. Okay? This is for you. Now, Laksh, you will tell me.
Pencil
Hmm?
is longer. Pencil is eraser.
Okay, the pencil is longer than the eraser. Very good. Now talk about eraser. Talk about eraser. How you will describe eraser?
मैम मेरे चांस नहीं आया पेंसिल
Okay, so the eraser is shorter than the pencil. Very good. Lakshya, this is for you. Good job. Okay, chalo, I will ask. Yeah, now Shrok, you want to say? Okay, Shrok, I will give you chance.
Sketchman is shorter.
Hmm?
Comb is big.
No, longer. But how you will say? You will say sketch pen is shorter than the comb. Or comb is longer than the sketch pen. Okay, you have to say the full sentence. Chalo. Okay, yes, Shri, you can tell me. Yes, Shri, tell me.
The floor is longer than pen is short.
Okay, you will say, how you will say the sentence, Shri? You will say the straw is longer than the pen. Okay, and the pen is shorter than the straw. Okay, Khanak, stop doing that. Stop doing that. Keep your scissor aside. Keep your scissor aside. Now, Hriday, it's your turn. Tell me.
This is
Longer.
This is longer.
The scissor is
Scissor.
Is
longer than
than the scissors.
Yes. And what you will talk about eraser? You will say for eraser?
Small.
small neck, short,
Short.
shorter
Shorter
than
than the
scissor.
scissors.
Very good, Hriday. Good try. Now, who else wants to say? Yanvi is showing me the object. Okay, Yanvi, you can say.
Eraser
Hmm?
Is
is
short
shorter
than
than pencil.
okay.
Very good. Eraser is. Huh?
Long
Is
long
longer
longer than eraser.
Very good. Very good. So, Yanvi, this is for you because you are saying the sentence by yourself. Little bit help is allowed. Okay. Now, Himay, you are raising your hand. Himay, you will say. Tell me, Himay.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Good morning.
Tell me your object. And you can compare it.
Sheet pen
Hmm?
is
Hmm?
longer
Hmm?
done.
than eraser.
Very good. And how you will say about eraser?
Eraser
Hmm?
is
Hmm?
shorter
Hmm?
than sheet pen.
Very good. Very good. Good try. So I'm giving you thumbs up. Okay, this is for you. Now, anybody else wants to say, or should I start the next thing? Okay, Paki. Okay, Paki, you can tell me. Very good. Very good, Paki. Very good. This is for you, Paki. Okay, very good. Yeah. Now, what we are going to do? Yesterday we have already played with the clay, right? We have made the objects long and short. So today, what we can do? I'm sharing you the link. I'm sharing you. Yes, Danish. Yes, Danish. Please tell me what happened. Okay, you want to say? Come on, say it fast because now we have to do the next thing. Chalo, bolo.
This is longer and this spoon.
Okay, so you have to say the comb is longer than the spoon.
Yes.
And then you have to say the spoon is shorter than the comb. You have to say the full sentence, Danish. Okay? Chalo, I am sharing you the screen and we can start playing the quiz. For the quiz, I will share you the link in the chat box and then we can start. Your turn, Arav. Arav, I was asking you from last so many times.
Do we need to take clay?
No, right now we will see. First of all, we will play quiz and then we will get time and we will do play. Okay, first of all, we will do the quiz.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Because Khanak, it's problem in your laptop. Bachka. Okay, I'm sharing you the link in the chat box. Please join everyone. Please join. Okay, I can see Yanvi, Kia, Shiven has already joined. Others, please join fast. Shlok, Laksh, Paki has joined. Hriday has joined. Okay, Heth has joined. Nivan has joined. Danis has joined. Others, please join the link. If anybody face problem, I can share you the link again. Okay, Arav has joined. Shri has joined. Khanak has joined. I have 30 participants. I need 17. Okay, Khanak and Himay has joined. Prayag has joined. Anybody left? I think so. Everybody has joined. Anybody left? Ayansh has not joined. Ayansh, please join the quiz. Ayansh, I have already put it in the chat box. Please join the quiz, Ayansh. Ayansh, are you there? Otherwise, I have to start, bacha. Please join the quiz, Ayansh. I'm sharing you the link again. Ayansh, please join the quiz. No, Ayansh, are you there? Okay, then Ayansh, I'm starting it. Others, I'm starting the quiz, okay? you can go for it. Come on, Ayansh, start playing. Ayansh and Danish, you have not attained a single question. Both of you, come on. Danish and Ayansh. Very good. Shiven is leading the game. Shiven and Heth. Shiven and Heth is leading the game. Shiven has already finished.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, I know, bacha. Oh, now Heth and Kia is on the top. Heth, Kia, Himay. Okay, Himay, Heth and Kia are at the top. Ayansh, start playing. Very good, Priya. Keep going. Yes, anybody wants to say something?
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Yes, bacha, yes. We will wait for others to finish, okay? Very good. Now only Prayag and Ayansh is left to complete it. Oh, the game has been changed. The leading person has been changed. We will wait for Ayansh to finish. Yes, Laksh, I know, bacha. Everybody has finished. We will wait for Ayansh.
हाथ पकड़ी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तो खाना भी नहीं। मैम,
Baki, please mute your microphone,
मैम मुझे
bacha.
नहीं दिख रहा है गेम।
आपको क्या नहीं दिख रहा है आयांश?
गेम।
अच्छा, but game आपकी दिख रही है. I can see you have attained questions. Only 2 to 3 years left.
Where?
Okay, तो क्या आपका नेटवर्क इशू, आपने गेम को छोड़ दिया था बीच में? Did you left the game in between?
No, ma'am.
So how it is possible, बच्चा? Because here I can see your name.
Ma'am, दिख रहा है।
Okay, no issue. Now I am ending the game. Okay, Ayansh?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So let's see who are the winners. Wow! Congratulations to Hriday, Himay and Heth. Hriday is first, Himay is second and Heth is third. Congratulations to you three. Hriday is first, Himay is second and Heth is third. Congratulations to you. Well done, good job. Others has done very nicely. Everybody has done all the answers correct. Okay? Everybody has done all the answers correct. It is just because आप जितने टाइम ज्यादा अटेंड करोगे वो एक्यूरेसी उसके हिसाब से numbers is increasing and decreasing. Okay? So congratulations to Hriday, Himay and Heth. All the H letter. Now if you have a clay with you, you can make the long and short, and then you can describe me what is longer and what is shorter. Okay, you can make the things with the clay. So it's a proper noun, start with capital letter. Somebody's microphone is on. Please mute your microphone. Yes, Ayan's microphone is on. You can make the things with the clay.
ये clay.
Whose microphone is on? Ayansh bacha, please mute your microphone. Now your next class is your English class. For that you have to prepare for some of the objects. Okay, right now I'm not telling what you have to do, but we will do on the live. Okay, so it's a surprise for you. We can do one activity with that. Yanvi is doing fast, long, right Yanvi? Making long and short. Paki, are you listening to me or you are listening to somebody else? Yes, Tia?
Look.
Bolo.
Oh wow, Tia, very good. Now tell me which is longer than what? Which is longer than what?
And this is the longer.
The green clay is longer than
Where is orange is shorter.
yes. So you will say the green clay is longer. The green line is longer than the orange line. Okay. So you have to say in that way. Very good, Shri. Sorry. Kia.
Thank you.
So I'll give you.
Ma'am.
Okay. The heart wala smiley for the Kia.
Ma'am.
Yes, Yanvi. Very good. Even Yanvi.
Orange.
Orange.
Longer.
Longer than
Shorter.
green. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I'm done.
Very good, Yanvi. Very good. I'll give you
I'm done. I'm
this
done.
one.
Thank you.
Okay, Yanvi. Shri and Shivin. Both of you has done. Very good. So Shri and Shivin, this is for you. Shri and Shivin. You have completed the activity, so this is for you. Now, Shivin, you will tell me what is longer than what. Which one is longer?
This one is longer than.
This is the longer
Than this.
and this.
Very good, very good. Good job. Now even I can see Hriday is done. Hriday, tell me which one is the shorter one.
Which one is shorter?
Shorter.
Yes. Good, Hriday, good. So for you, the smiley. Hriday, for you, the smiley. This is the smiley for you.
Ma'am, done.
Very good, Nivan. I can see your play. Even I can see Laksh. Very good. Both of you, well done. So I'll give you.
And blue one
Okay,
is longer.
Laksh and Nivan, this is for you. Laksh and Nivan, this is for you. Okay, Shlok, I can see your blue and red clay. So Shlok, can you tell me which one is the shorter one, Shlok? I mean shorter.
Red
The
one,
red one,
red one is smaller. Shorter. And blue one is longer.
very good, Shlok. Very good. This is for you, Shlok.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, Khanak, I can see your yellow clay. So now tell me which one is the longer than what?
This one is longer than the
When it's longer.
Okay, very good, very good. So I'll give you start. Khanak, I will give you start. So the one who has finished the activity, they can leave the class and see you in the next class. And the one who is left to show, they can come later.
Bye.
Bye-bye, the one who has finished. Okay. Danish, I can see yours. Danish, I can see yours, but I can see only one clay, Danish. Okay, now I can see the another one. Danish, tell me which one is the longer one.
Ma'am, the green is the longer. Ma'am,
Green is longer than what?
orange is shorter.
Okay, Danish, good job.
Green is longer than orange.
So Danish, for you.
Green is longer and orange.
Yes, and the orange is shorter than the green. So good try. This is for you, Danish.
And green.
Yes, Danish. Correct one. Good try. Yes, Yanni, you have already done now. So the one who has finished the activity, they can leave the class. The one, yes, Laksh. Yes, Bacha, Laksh, you can leave. You have already finished. Now, Arav, you have to tell me which one is longer than what.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, Arav. Yes, Arav, tell me now.
This is longer. This is shorter.
But how you will say the sentence? You will say this one is longer than the other one. Okay, you will say this one. Say this one is the longer than the other one.
Bold. This one is
This one is
longer
longer.
than
This
other.
other is smaller.
Shorter, no smaller. You will not use smaller. Then what you will say? This one is shorter than the other one, or that one is longer. Okay, so Anna, what you have to do? You have to compare the object. This is the longer than this, or this is the shorter than this. Okay, you have to say the sentence in that way. Okay, but good try. Good try.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, Danish. Bye, Arav. Yes, Hima, you will show me? Yes, show me. Hima, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
yellow is longer
Huh?
than
Then what? Which is
blue.
the other place? Ah. And blue is
Blue is
shorter.
after yellow.
Very good. So I'll give you a smiley. Hima, this is for you. Okay? A yellow smiley, like you. Bye-bye. See you in the next class, Hima.
Bye-bye.